Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Dollar Tree Easter basket haul. These are the items that I got for my kids. Everything is 100% from Dollar Tree. And I have a 3-year-old, a 2-year-old, and then a little 7-month-old baby girl, so her basket isn't that exciting. But let's get right into it, and at the end of this haul, I'm going to show you just some other random things that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the Dollar Tree, and everything that I found for these baskets, I know my kids are absolutely going to love. So I really wanted to make a video for you guys that showed you some fun and affordable items to get for your kids from the Dollar Tree. So let's get right into it. And first, I'm going to start with my little princess's basket because there's really not a ton in there. First of all, how cute are these little baskets? You can totally customize them too just by getting like little iron-on letters and put their names on them. I feel like that would really give it something a little extra too. Alright, so let's get into Ella's basket. Like I said, she's only 7 months old, but while I'm sitting here looking at this, I think you could totally customize your kids' names on the ears too. Anyway, I just got her some photo props, honestly. We have the little bunny ears. We have a picture of Carter and Tanner every year in an Easter basket full of little Easter eggs with blue ears, so of course we have to get that photo of her with her pink ears. This because she's my little princess, so she needs a tiara. And then these aren't for her, I just put them in the basket. But we decorate our Easter cake with Peeps every year, and I personally think Peeps are disgusting. What do you guys think? Do you like Peeps, or they, not really, not so much? But we decorate our Easter cake with them going all around the side of the Easter cake, and the boys love these and they just really get so excited about that. I will probably end up just adding like some puffs in here, some teethers, maybe like some pouches, like little baby stuff just to make it cute. Even though she won't really remember, at least she'll see pictures of it. And now moving on to the boys' baskets, they basically got the same things. However, some items are different based on the things that they're really liking right now. So I'll show you the different things as well. They both got these. These are little gummy candy and stickers, and they're Paw Patrol. They absolutely love Paw Patrol. The next thing I got them were little puzzles by Disney Junior. Tanner got Vampirina because he's very into Vampirina, and Carter got Avengers because he's into anything like superhero or action related. The next thing I got were Disney Flashcards. Carter got, it's like a matching numbers Winnie the Pooh. He really loves matching games and he's learning his numbers right now. And Tanner just got the color and shape flashcards. And he got Mickey Mouse Clubhouse because he loves Mickey Mouse. They both got paintbrushes because we love doing arts and crafts, and honestly all of our paintbrushes got really hard from having old paint on them, so new paintbrushes. Then of course we had to get some snakes because they love anything that has to do with reptiles, dinosaurs, insects, so these snakes they'll really get a kick out of. And also right now they're super into pranking, so we just got over playing with fake poop for a long time, and now we can scare people with snakes. Next up, we got some bingo markers because these are really fun for arts and crafts and also learning your colors, and Carter learning his numbers and his letters. I kind of just make the outline for him and then he can go ahead and stamp it inside, so these are fun. I found these cute little Easter cups. They love like anything themed and holiday related, so I know that they'll really like these, and I'm probably going to fill these up with some kind of like candy. Also got some more puzzles because we are really into puzzles, and arts and crafts and puzzles is like what I really love to do with them because I'm not so great at like playing action figures and dinosaurs. That's more Daddy's really good at that, but I'm good at like sitting down and doing an activity with them, or flashcards, workbooks, things like that. So Tanner got Paw Patrol, Nickelodeon. It's like a 48-piece puzzle. And they're both really great at puzzles, I should mention. And Carter got Incredibles. I found these little spiral art, spiral art thingamajiggies. I absolutely loved these when I was younger, so I think they might get a kick out of it too. Wishful thinking, but I thought this was a great find for $1. Pop-up books are our jam. We love pop-up books in this house. So this one is for Carter with the dinosaurs on it, and this is Magical Tea Time. And then Tanner got the Jungle Book, and that little pop-up. He's really into animals and all the sounds they make. So I thought this was cute. Some more art kits, and we got the Justice League for Carter and Mickey Mouse for Tanner. But I love these little kits, and they're so small that you can pop them into like your purse or a diaper bag when you're going out to dinner, just to add some water. Let me show you the inside. Perfect little on-the-go activity. We got some Mickey and the Roadster Racers sun catchers. We absolutely love that. You can see a theme here. We really like painting and crafts and all of it. And I love when they could just be creative and make stuff. And they love to see their artwork on display and in the windows. I also got some workbooks. So this is a Play School Learn and Counting. And this has like some math and numbers in it for pre-K. They have tons of different books like this there. And then this one is Little People Colors and Shapes for Tanner. But now we're getting down to the candy. Just got some Lifesaver Gummies because I love these. And so do they. So I might have to steal a couple for myself. And of course we need it. What do they call this guy? Carrot Patch Pete. We need Carrot Patch Pete in our life. You always need a chocolate bunny, right? And I always felt like Palmer was like the standard bunny that I got as a kid for Easter growing up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this stuff up and then show you all of the other random items that I got from Dollar Tree during this trip. So now for the other random stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, I want to show you the Easter eggs first. These are pretty and glittery, and they're going to be in the basket that I'm going to put Ella in with those cute little ears on for one of her pictures, so stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at t.beaston to see Ella's bunny picture that will be shown at some point soon. Also got these pretty little eggs. They're like iridescent, and there's 10 eggs in each bag. These are just like little cutesy eggs. We are hosting Easter here, and then the following week I'm hosting my sister's baby shower, so yeah. I got these cute little, I guess can you even call these eggs? They're like animals, but we'll use them for the Easter egg hunt. I have a lot of little kids in my family, so we always do an Easter egg hunt every year. And then these cute little chick Easter eggs. Staying on the Easter theme, I just got these bubbles. And then these little, they're called whack-a-packs, and like you like punch them and they blow up and burst open into balloons. And these are really fun and the kids love them, but these are for Carter's preschool class. I still have to get like little baggies, but every year for like every little holiday they have a party, and all of the moms bring in like little goodie bags, which one year I had no idea that that was a thing. It was Carter's like first holiday ever at his preschool, and he came home with all these goodie bags, and I'm like, oh, was I supposed to make a goodie bag? So I guess that's just like a thing in the schools now with goodie bags. So now I never forget, and I always make like a goodie bag. I also got these cute little cupcake liners. They're nice and spring colored, pretty. We always need these because we love baking in this house. You can kind of see the floral design. I got these tiny glass little bowls because I love making cooking videos, and I thought these would be perfect for like when I'm showing you what spices I'm using and things like that, or if I'm doing like fresh garlic or onion in a video, I could just have them all in the little glass bowls. I want to call them a ramekin, but I don't think it's called a ramekin, but I thought that would be really cute for a cooking video. The one thing that I hoard are planning supplies and notebooks and like planning stickers and things like that, but this on the front it says your wounds and imperfections are your beauty, but I really just liked the like marble type coloring and the blush colors, but it's just like a little notebook to write stuff down in, and I'm constantly writing stuff down. I know a lot of you use your phones for your calendar and things like that, but I'm just a paper and pen kind of girl. I just am. This may seem kind of funny because we have Pinterest, we have the internet, but I found these little cookbooks in Dollar Tree, and I was like reading them in Dollar Tree, and I loved a lot of the recipes that were in these little books. So this one is All American Meals Made Easy, and there's 80 recipes. So a lot of times I don't like follow an exact recipe, but I get inspiration from recipes. But there's just like a lot of really yummy things in there, and I just opened up to a page of one of the things I actually really wanted to make, and this is Farmer's chicken soup. But there's just like a lot of really yummy recipes in here. Another thing that I might actually make this weekend is, what's it called? Kickin' chicken and shrimp kebabs. It's supposed to be gorgeous out this weekend, and I'm 100% grilling. I love to grill, and so does my husband. So I'm going to be making kebabs this weekend. So I'm sure I will have lots more cooking videos for you because this gave me a lot of inspiration. And then I found this. This is Simple Summer Meals. So it says, summer meals should be simple. Enjoy more than 40 ideas for burgers, suppers, all-in-one dishes, and even meatless meals. So it has burgers and sandwiches, suppers, all-in-one dishes, meatless dishes, and I just saw a lot of things in here when I was browsing through it that I really liked. So I figured for $2, why not get some cookbooks for some inspiration. Going back to the Easter theme, these are little trays that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought they'd be really cute to display the kids' eggs that they dye, because that is like a big event in our house and we love it. We set up everything to do it, and then it takes 2 seconds and it's over with. So at least putting them on these trays, we can like put them out on Easter, and like everybody can admire the eggs that we all made. And shout out to my grandma and my Aunt Karen. They both make the best deviled eggs. So if you're watching this and you want to make me some deviled eggs, I got these cute little plates for you. What's really funny is that my boys absolutely love hard-boiled eggs. They won't eat the yolk though, so they won't even go near a deviled egg, which is just funny. However, when they ask for them, they ask if they could have Easter eggs, which we know means hard-boiled eggs. So last but not least, I got this little, what is this called? Planter, and just has flowers and garden on it, and it's really cute. You can find these at like Home Goods and TJ Maxx for more than $1, so I wanted to grab this. And then I got this little foam block to put in the bottom, and then I'm going to cut up some of these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and basically it'll look really cute in the end, but I have to mess with it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video and it gave you some Easter basket ideas or some motivation to just go check out Dollar Tree and spend less but still have great quality baskets. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.